Here are 2 quick and easy ways to create a new post on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and tap on the plus button at the top left corner. If it's showing on the top right, please update your Instagram app from the App Store. Switch to Post. Alternatively, you can touch and hold the Instagram app icon on the home screen, which will bring up a pop-up menu with the option for New Post. Tap on it and start posting video or photos. Capture live content using the camera shown first. Tap the shutter button to take a photo, or press and hold it to record the video directly in the Instagram app. Or browse saved photos or videos from your camera roll using the panel. Or select multiple photos or videos using the multi-select option. Tap on Next to start editing, or add music, text overlays, and filters. On the next screen, select write text or hashtag to boost your post visibility. You can use these optional settings before posting publicly. Then tap share to publish it for Instagram users. The post will also appear on your profile. That's it. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.